To use Mercari coupons, start by logging into your Mercari account on the app or website. Once you are logged in, browse through the various items available for purchase and add the ones you want to buy to your cart. When you are ready to check out, navigate to your cart and review the items you have added. Below the list of items, you will see a section that says Apply a promo code. Click on this section to open the promo code field. If you have a coupon code, enter it in the promo code field and click Apply. The discount will be deducted from your total purchase amount if the coupon is valid. Ensure that your coupon has not expired and that it can be used on the items in your cart. Some coupons may have restrictions, such as being applicable to specific categories or sellers. So review the terms and conditions before applying the coupon. After applying the coupon, review your order summary to ensure the discount has been applied correctly. If the coupon was applied successfully, you will see the discounted amount reflected in your order summary. Finally, complete the checkout process by entering your shipping and payment information. Your coupon will be applied to your purchase, and you will receive the discounted amount off your total purchase price. By following these steps, you can easily apply Mercari coupons to your purchases and save money on the items you want. Always review the terms and conditions of the coupon before applying it to ensure you receive the discount.